introduced us. December came between, tales never told, rust gathered on the coal. Perhaps the months they never knew, the state of things below the blue. The muscles weighed with patience, tales inky like ocean wine. Tears have passed and anchors cast, soon mixed within the brine. Oh, paper bird, your wings are light, carry hardship out of sight. Salty moonshine, morning bell, fly these troubles away across the swell. Lay your axe down by the spring, listen to the starbird sing, the sweetest sound I ever heard. Fly away, oh paper bird. And now the bird she flies beneath salty snow-capped cries. Gusty clouds of gray watch as I cast words away. Beneath this heart of bygone pain, welcome sunrise once again. Oh, paper bird, your wings are light, carry hardship out of sight. Salty moon, shine morning bell, fly these troubles away across the swell. Oh, lay your axe down by the stream, listen to the songbird sing, the sweetest sound I ever heard. Fly away, oh paper bird, oh paper bird, your wings are light, carry hardship out of sight. Salty moon, shine morning down, fly these troubles away across the swell. Lay your axe down by the spring, listen to the starbird sing, the sweetest sound I ever heard. Fly away, we love you, Oregon Country Fair. All the experiences of the weekend, hard and soft and crunchy and enlightening, just take it away and put it in your heart. Hey, have a beautiful year. Keep making music, making friends, being fun. Sing if you want. We love you. Michael on the guitar and piano, Mr. Tom on the drums, Mark on the bass, Jeff Hobbs guesting on saxophone, the amazing Michelle Alani on the fiddle.
Robin Jackson!
Thank you, I'm Robin Jackson. Lewis Childs will be here next year, absolutely. We love this event. Go forth and party with open hearts. Thank you to the